Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
Today on Cops with Cam, a tense moment when a teen resists arrest and ends up getting tased. It starts when officers respond to reports of a disturbance involving a teenager. As they arrive, the teen appears agitated and refuses to cooperate. Officers calmly give multiple commands, asking him to stay still and show his hands. But the teen keeps pulling away, shouting back and refusing to comply. As the situation escalates, the officers warn him, "Stop resisting or you'll get tased." Seconds later, the teen keeps struggling, and that's when an officer deploys the taser. The teen falls to the ground, visibly shaken. Officers quickly move in, handcuff him, and check to make sure he's okay. He keeps yelling and resisting even while on the ground, but eventually they gain control. Another reminder of how fast things can spiral when someone refuses to cooperate. Let us know what you think in the comments. Was the use of force justified?
She's declining treatment. We got to get her here, though. Okay. Do you have your license, registration, insurance with you, sir?
Okay. That was a registration.
Okay.
There's an insurance card. She didn't want to stay. We almost had to forcibly keep her here. Oops. Sorry. Okay.
Oh, you're fine. Got it. There you go. Yeah. Your insurance is in here, you said?
Pardon?
Your vehicle insurance? You have that with you?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Here.
Okay. There's that back for you. I got your license out of it.
Okay.
I'll get that back to you,
All
okay?
right.
Just hang tight. If you want to sit in your car, I'll be right back with you,
All
okay?
right.
15 County. Coffee truck. Come here.
Oh, don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me, y'all.
Listen.
Don't fucking
Hey, listen.
Yo, you gonna make it worse than what it really is.
Seriously, don't hit call my fucking parents.
Yeah, we are calling your parents. Get off the boat. You're being detained now for cooperation.
For what?
For cooperation of investigation.
Get off of me. Yo, what?
You don't want to do
Get off
this.
of me. I'll tell you all my fucking name and shit.
Oh, stop.
God, get off of me.
Let my hand go.
Relax. To the ground. You're gonna get hurt. Stop.
Stop.
Then stop. Get the fuck off of me.
Seriously.
I'm not going nowhere.
Dude. Hey, look, man.
Stop.
Bro, tell him to get off of me.
I'm not gonna slam over here. No. I'm not gonna do that.
Nah, tell him to get off me. I'll tell him.
Get back. Now.
Tell him I'm trying to help him out, man.
Get back.
Record this shit, young.
Get back.
Mom, get off of me.
Back.
Get back. Just back up, man. Seriously, just back up.
You let that badge go to your head, man. You let that badge go to
Bro.
your head. Stop.
Stop.
For no reason, I'm trying to help him.
Then
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're being
Why?
detained. You're being detained right now.
Bro, get that hard ass shit off. Fuck, y'all, get that shit off of me. Get off.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Get off.
Stop. 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 Stop.
Stop going down. Stop going down. Stop.
Stop, okay?
What's your mom's phone number?
Take a seat. Okay? Listen. What's your name? Hey. What's your name? 15 to 1. You want to start down here. What's your name?
My shoe.
What's your name? There's your shoe. What's your name? 15 County. We're already at your PI at Randolph and Lucas. Not right now. Listen, we're trying to help you, okay?
I'm not fucking hurt.
Well, we need your parent wanted to leave, okay? You need to calm down. Take a seat. She doesn't want her mom to come down because we're watching the football game.
Well, your mom's got to come down. So just sit down.
Take a seat.
Get off!
Stop.
Up here.
Oh!
You got her? Dozer.
Get off!
One by the... I got you. Stop. Calm down. Calm down.
I want sex!
Calm down.
I want sex!
Calm down. Put your feet in.
Ow!
You're all right. Calm down.
I want
Stop resisting.
sex!
Calm down. Keep your feet inside the car.
I want sex! He's an officer!
Keep your feet inside the car, okay? You're gonna get sprayed.
I want
Pull your
sex!
feet in. Keep your feet inside the car.
Please!
Calm down. Pull your feet in.
Call Zach!
Calm down.
Hurry up! I can't breathe!
Put that ass, let that badge go to your head. You got to go.
12K, mark on sheet, pepper spray. Could you take it?
12 what?
Yeah, actually exchange for me real quick.
Yeah, where's the vehicle?
He's the old man over there in the blue.
Okay. Is it the white car?
12, I didn't understand you. Repeat it.
Female got pepper spray. Just mark it on the sheet.
10 4.
I'll see you in the building.
14K, that's total.